KHA99. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and noon and between 6 and 8 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variation, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in North Texas: Cook, Denton, Grayson, Montague, and Wise. And in the following counties in southern Oklahoma: Carter, Jefferson, and Love. This concludes the test of weather radio station KHA99. The current time is 6:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time.